For safety, you can set up restricted areas to define where GOAT can operate. Enter Edit Map, then No Entry Zone. Tap Manually Create. Follow the prompts until the remote control interface appears. Guide the robot to the starting point of the restricted area. Press Start to begin mapping. Remotely drive GOAT along the desired boundary until the area is fully enclosed. The app will confirm completion, and you can select the restriction type. No entry zones are areas GOAT will not enter autonomously. Pass-only zones allow the robot to pass through, but not mow, suitable for areas like gravel paths.